You're looking at a dataset messy and unstructured in just one click. That button can instantly create a fully interactive professional dashboard. No manual work, no complex setup, just using Claude AI with a single click. Let's jump in right now. We only have the raw dataset, nothing else. First, we open Claude AI in Google Chrome. We've provided Word prompt file in the video description where prompts and VBA codes are placed. Then we copy and paste the prompt, hit enter, and within seconds, Claude generates a complete VBA code for our dashboard. Now download that code file next. Back to Excel, press on Developer tab and click on Visual Basic. To open the VBA code, paste that VBA code here, what you copied once pasted. Close the editor using Alt plus F4. Now let's create a one-click button to run everything. Go to the Insert tab. Click on Shapes and choose Rectangle Shape. Draw the shape on your sheet and rename it. Next, format the button, central, align the button. Make it bold and make its font size a bit bigger now, right? Click on the button, click on Assign the macro, select macro from the list, and click on. Okay, now your one-click button is ready. Now here comes the magic click, the button fully cleaned. Data will be ready within seconds. It is ready and structured, clean and professional. Now again, repeat steps for next button.
Sinking in, I know this feels right. Catching a breeze, love moving through me like a wildfire, like a wildfire.
Now copy existing button and rename it. Make a new sheet named as Pivot and place that button over there now, right? Click on the button. Click on Assign the macro, select macro from the list and click on. Okay, now your one-click button is ready. Now here comes the magic click. The button fully ready. Pivot tables will appear automatically. KPI cards are created and pivot tables are created. Not static tables, this is completely dynamic. If you update or change your dataset, the dashboard automatically reflects the latest data. Now again, repeat steps for next button. Now copy existing button and rename it. Make a new sheet, place that button over there now, right? Click on the button, click on Assign the macro, select macro from the list and click on OK. Now your one-click button is ready. Now here comes the magic click. The button fully prepared dashboard will come in front of you, no manual work needed. And that's it. In just minutes, you can create powerful interactive dashboard in Excel that would normally take hours to create manually if you found this useful. Try it by yourself using prompt from the description and start building dashboards smarter, not harder. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Subscribe for more helpful data analytics videos. Thanks for watching.